Okay, you guys, wait, don't leave. There's a reason the audio is bad, because we have new mics. Okay. It's the DJI mic minis. So, first of all, the audio is going to be bad, and it'll be recovered in just a second. The audio is going to be pretty crappy because I want you guys to hear the difference between no good audio and good audio. But let's go ahead and unbox this thing really quickly. Still crappy audio. Happy New Year for those who are just having a new year. We're going to start the year February 1st. Because this year has been giving us a lot of things. It's been so many things happening. We don't even have to get that deep into it. How about look how cute this cute little pouch is. Adorbs. And yeah. So let's together start this year over. Oof. Oh, this feels good already. I love things that feel good. Okay. Oh, that's it. We're going to put that to the side. And some cords. We like cords. Paperwork. Don't need that right now. That's not important. Let's toss that. Get to the good stuff. Alright. Hopefully you guys are standing this. It won't be like this for too long. It's not that loud in my house, so should be kind of clear. Okay, cords. I don't even know if I need those right now. So they're kind of irrelevant, right? Alright, that's secure. Oh, these are the wind muffs, so when you're outside and you're in the wind, you can put these on. Oh, you have two colors. Look how cute they are. Adorbs. Look at this cutie. Okay. Okay, keep holding. Audio's gonna be bad for a second. Hopefully I don't have to charge these. If I do, then I will just hook up my previous previous mics. How cute is this? Let's break the seal together. Let's listen. Oh, that was hot. Oh, and it leans. You press that in there. Wow, guys. Oh my god, there's lights. I shouldn't be this excited over mics, but I am. I think green means they're charged, guys. So we are figuring this out together, as I've never used this. Don't know what's going on. I don't think I own a DJI mic set at all. Oh, how cute. Guys, they're babies. How adorbs. These are so... Look at that natural reaction on camera there. Oh my god, these are powerful. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. So that's what's all in the case, and then here's what I really was looking for, which is a little hard to explain, but it's the piece that hooks up to this that allows me to hook up to this baby right here so that I can vlog, and apparently you can Bluetooth them as well. We'll figure that out. We're definitely going to have to do outside tests for the next video. But since these babies are on, let's try them. I think I'm supposed to use the mic jack. I don't even know which is which. Let's just also talk about that. I'm just going to turn one off and we're going to see what happens. Look at me. Y'all, it's the right one. So you could either use the cool magnet that's on here, or there's a clip. I'm gonna just, let's use the magnet. Oh, I got two shirts under here. Maybe I should try two shirts. I don't know. Okay, she's chilling. And let's hook up this big baby right here and see what the difference will be. Are we ready, y'all? Are we ready? Mic. Okay. Hello, hello. I don't know if it's working. Yeah, how do I know if it's working? I hope it's working. I think it's working because audio is being read. I think it's working, y'all. I hope this audio is super crisp. That was a lot to get to. But this right here, excuse me, I'm getting taller, is adorbs. The wind mics muffs come with it. Here and here. But let's also, I want to switch footage. And let's try to put it on this baby. Or, I wonder if you could do 2 mics at a time. I don't know, or maybe we should test out the cell phone when we go outside. Let's do that. But for now, I think thank y'all for tuning in. I mean, I was singing y'all some songs, but I'm not going to sing y'all some songs. But if you're interested in booking your graduate photo shoot, couple and engagement photos, wedding photos, birthday pictures, I slay them all. Hopefully I put some right here while we're watching. And this audio sound is looking very good. I can see it on the monitor on the camera. The way my adrenaline is running, y'all can hear me breathing super duper heavy. I'm sure it's super clear now. And yeah, let's get out of here. This video is long enough. We got to take this puppy outside. So I'll see y'all for the next outdoor vlog.